Hey guys, I am back same day as I did Meep City with my Brazilian friend, and I hope you like this. Life as a manager. It's always so boring. Everybody just asks for pluses, nothing else. It's so unfair. And I just don't know why this is so unfair. I wish I actually had someone to talk to. Oh well, I guess. I want to get out of here. I wish I had somebody to talk to. Someone that would actually, get me. Nobody gets me now. Oh well. It's late. And I need to go home. I'm getting a cold. Well, I guess I'll just use one of those cars. I need a car. Seriously? Okay. I guess I don't have a car. I'll just go and walk home. All alone, bored. No friends. Now, where's my house? Oh, wow, I just walked right into my house. Oh well. Hey. Someone else become manager if you do. Oh, someone might become manager? I don't want to open the manager job. Okay. I guess. I think I'll just go to sleep. I wish I had a friend. Whoa, was that a ding-dong? Hello? Clara! It's you! Oh, you've been so kind. I asked everybody that works at the pizza place to make you a new house. Or not a new, but make you a house. Would you like to go see it? Come.
Yeah, let's go.
Whoa, ouch. Okay. Yeah, I'm having troubles getting out. My car was robbed. Ugh, having such an unlucky day. Oh well, we'll find something soon enough. Got it? Okay, we got here. Can you open? Yes, thank you. Oh, nice house. They did well, I guess. Nice.
Feels like me.
Oh well.
Pikachu!
I want this to go down. Yes! Guys, let's watch it. Get up. Let's watch it. Woohoo! Yay! Go, 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 go. Are you gonna pop? Yay! You popped up! Woohoo! 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 Okay, for some reason this is not working. Okay. Oh well, it was very nice meeting you, Clara. I hope to see you soon.
Yeah. We can sit at the work together.
Uh-huh. You know what? Why don't we just have a sleepover, huh? We could talk about things. Okay, let's go to my place. Oh, right. I forgot. We need a truck or car.
I have other car. They robbed my 2 cars?
Oh, my. Oh, so much robbing going on. Okay, well, let's walk on over. There we go. See? That was a piece of cake.
Wow, your home is beautiful.
Oh, thanks. Okay. So, you know, I just wanted to tell somebody this. Well, life seems unfair. It's like nobody likes you. I don't have a friend at work. I want to go somewhere else. This is getting boring and unfair.
There's close to the evening, so I think we sleep and then we tomorrow go to the work.
Yeah. Let's take a nap. I'm pretty sure our boss won't be mad about it. Come on up here.
Oopsies.
Come up here.
Where are you?
Yeah. I have a knife behind my back and yeesh. This is a jail cell? Where are we?
I don't know.
Where are we?
But you know what? I was tired.
I don't feel so good.
Brandon.
I don't feel so good. Where are you? I'm trying to find you.
I already died?
No. Do we respawn? Or is this the end? I'll just hide here in the locker. I'll just hide here in the locker. Scared.
I will
No.
see where is she. To say to me.
No. I know.
She cut you. I'm spectating.
I died.
I'm spectating.
I found you. I found you. I found you. I found you.
I'm not playing. Why you say I found you? Why you are
Oh my gosh, I found you.
You found me? Oh, you found me there.
Oh my gosh, I found you. I found you. I found you. I found you. I'm so happy. But where are we? Where do you think we are? Is this...
I don't know. But
Let's look for signs. Okay, a bunch of knives on crates. A bunch of skulls and death signs.
Yeah.
Bunch of knives. No, it can't be. Are we in Murder Mystery World? No, this gotta be a dream. I mean, we went to bed, right? This is a dream, right? No. Pinch me. Pinch it. Pinch me. Pinch. Ow! No, it's not a dream. It's not a dream. It's not a dream. It's not a dream.
And we're different. I'm different.
You look different. Ugh. Okay, let's go here. Come on.
What? How do you know this passage is?
I don't know. I've been here before. It's always been somewhere that I known about.
Hey, why do you want?
Go.
A boy is inside here. Accept. A person will give me something. Whoa.
We're in murder. I hate Murder Mystery Land. It's so scary.
Oh my gosh, that person is like.
Ah!
She left home. Whoa, you know we can change our knives?
I'm not interested in that right now. I'm interested in getting home. Wait. I think I know the plan. We have to play the game to get out.
So we can use Kyle so many times.
Play to get out. Play to get out. Play to get out. I can remember that. Play to get out. Play to get out. Play to get out.
Are you something?
No knives or guns. Oh, but I have both.
That's interesting.
Where are you? Are you still alive though?
Mm-hmm. Are you still alive?
I want to go back to my job. I regret this. I don't want to be somewhere else. I want to go back to my job.
Gabby!
Oh my gosh, I found you. Yes.
We survived.
We survived. Yes.
High five. Yay. We're
I'm
one of
so
the
happy.
last to survive.
So I guess we'll just have to adapt. Where'd you get pets? Lol. Where'd you get pets? Seriously.
I get it that I don't know how I get it that that's crazy. I think they come here before, but I don't remember.
Cancel. Whee! Pets. I don't have any pets. Okay.
I hate that map
Ay.
because that map is so easy.
No. I see you. I don't want to lose you. Oh, but it's better to split up because you usually get killed. No offense.
You are the murderer?
No. No, I'm not the. Oh my god. My god! No! A knife! Someone threw a knife at me.
I see your barn. It's him!
No. No.
Can you see me? Oh, you see me.
Oh, yes. I think this is almost over. 2 more rounds and this is over. Two more rounds and this is over.
But this is not over.
If this is not over, then we'll be here forever. Dying. Oh, God. I think we need to... I'm gonna faint. Running for my life. Running for my life.
I will search for them.
I don't want to be here.
I know.
I hate this place.
There's Katie Awesome. You know the
Let me out.
the person who is like this reddish hair and the reddish.
You're
there. Yes, sir.
No, not me. No. Oh well.
Are you all okay? Are you okay, Unicorn?
I'm not sure. Were you there too? Were we in Murder Mystery? Like and subscribe and turn on notifications. I hope to see